On my channel, I've always shown you how to draw in Procreate. You've learned with me how to create digital illustrations, and today I want to show you how easily you can turn your art into money. I will show you how to sell your art without any upfront costs or the need for the inventory. For today's example, I'm going to make a fun and colorful oranges illustration. If you plan to sell your art, it's important to make sure that your canvas settings are correct. That's why I'm working on an A2 size canvas at 300 dpi, and I'm also using this color profile, which is good for printing. I'm going to draw this illustration in bold colors and with a lot of interesting textures. So here's just a quick drawing process video, and I think I will upload the full process and tutorial to my Patreon. I've always wanted to sell my art, but never really wanted to deal with the product production on my own. I admire people who keep their inventory and sell everything from their studios. But this is just not what I want. I know this would give me a lot of stress, and for me, creating art should be relaxing, and same goes for selling it and making profit as an artist. And I'm sure that many of you feel exactly the same. Now that my drawing is finished, I'll show you how, with just a few clicks, you can start making money with your art. And that brings me to Gelato, the sponsor of this video. Gelato is the world's #1 print-on-demand platform. It lets you turn your designs into high-quality products like posters, t-shirts, mugs, calendars, and more, and sell them worldwide, with no upfront costs. That's right, you can sign up for free and start selling your art today. If you're new to print-on-demand, let me quickly explain how it works. You create a design, choose a product, upload the artwork, and list it in your online store. Whenever someone places an order, Gelato prints, packs, and ships it directly to your customer. You don't have to do a thing. Gelato works with over 140 print partners in 32 countries, so your products are made locally, closer to your customers. That means not only faster delivery and lower shipping costs, but also less transportation and emissions, a more sustainable way to create. What's more, 90% of orders are delivered in just 5 days, which is amazing. Gelato is unique and it's more than just print on demand. It's fast, scalable, and sustainable because of how it operates. I love that I can just run this side hustle without worrying about shipping delays or waste. It just feels smarter. The prices are competitive, and the cheaper shipping is something that helps a lot in scaling your business. There are over 150 types of products to choose from posters, mugs, hoodies, phone cases, and even embroidered t-shirts. You can use one design on multiple products, giving yourself more chances to make a sale. What's also important is that Gelato partners with trusted top-quality brands. That means your products will not only look great, but also last. So you might be wondering, where do I sell my products? Gelato integrates with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, Wix, and more. So connecting your store is super quick and easy. And if you're worried about handling orders, returns, or refunds, don't be. Gelato has 24/7 customer service and handles all that for you, so you can spend more time creating and less time stressing. So now I will show you how to upload your design to a product on Gelato. Go to their website and sign up for free, the link is in the description. And here's also a bonus: when you sign up, you'll get 50% of your first sample order if you place it within 2 days. So that's very nice. Once you've created your account, you choose a product you like to sell. Before that, you can connect to your store. It only takes 2 clicks. I'm going to connect my Etsy store over here. And now let's go to the products. I'm going to turn my oranges illustration into a poster. You can see also you can pick your poster already with a frame and many other options. I'm going to pick this one. And here you can pick the size. I'm going to pick A2 size because that was the size of my canvas in Procreate. And now you can see the price. And then let's just tap here to add it to the store. And now tap on your store. Over here again, you can pick the sizes of the poster you want to have in your store. So I will pick A4, A3, and I already have the A2. And I will still pick this one, 20 by 25 centimeters, which has a different ratio, because I just want to show you something in a moment. So now let's tap here and upload our drawing. Once it's here, we have to add it to the product. And now you can see how it fits the poster. Over here you can see the different sizes you've picked and how it will look when it's printed. And here is the one that I had in a different ratio than A2 canvas. As you can see, my drawing doesn't fit it well, but we can adjust it and fix it. First, let's tap here to unlink it from the other options. And now you can easily adjust the size of your design so it will fit the poster size better. This way there will be no trimming of your drawing. We can center it, and now it looks good and can be printed like this. And as you can see, our drawing on the other poster sizes was not affected. It's still the same. Okay, so here I wanted to show you that with Gelato you can still add something to your design. You can add a text. There is also an option of personalization, which is really cool because it's very popular and it can make your product sale faster and easier. You can also add some kind of ready-to-use graphic if you decide that your drawing is still missing something. Or you can even make your own whole design right over here. So you can move this, change the size or even the colors. Okay, I'm going to undo this. And if you want to add some simple shapes to your design, you can find them right here. I'm happy with my poster as it is, so I'll just leave it alone. Now we can tap here on the preview to see how this will look in real life. It will show you how this poster in this size will look in different places. Now if you pick here different size and then see the preview, you will see that it is adjusted. It shows you exactly how this poster will present itself on the wall. Okay, let's close this and we can move on and go here to continue to mockups. You can pick here how you want your product to be presented in your store. There are many options you can choose from, which is really nice, and you can pick what will suit your design the best. Let's download the pictures. And now we can go here to continue to details. You can change the title and the description of your product now, or you can do it later in your store. The description is already filled with products information, which is very useful and will save your time. Here is some more settings you can go through. You can add the tags, publish it right away in your Etsy store, pick free shipping for your customers, or activate the personalization. You can also do it later, you don't have to do it now. Gelato also offers you an AI help with generating the title and the description. I think it can be helpful if you get stuck with how to describe your product. Okay, let's continue to prices. So here you can decide how much money you would like to make with your product. You can also tick this here to include the shipping cost in your profit. So here you can see how much money you will make. And you can adjust it by changing the margin. Let's put here maybe 60%. And the profit will update, so you can pick the best price that will make the most sense for you and your product. Let's try 45%. And also maybe let's see how this will change if we pick shipping to the USA. So this is how it looks, and what's also very useful is that now you can see how the price of your product compares to the price of other sellers. This way you know if you're charging too much or maybe not enough. Okay, now the last step is to go here to continue to review. You will see here the final prices and your estimated profit. Let's tap here on Publish. And now your product is being published to the drafts in your Etsy store. We can tap over here to see all of the variants we have in our store. Okay, and that's it. That's how easy it is. This poster is now available in my store. And you can start making money with your art right away too. Don't wait, sign up using my link below and get started today and grab your 50% off sample within the first 48 hours. I hope this video was helpful and inspired you to start your own business and begin making money from your art. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!